Hello, I'm going to show you today a copy of an 1848 31 caliber 5-shot pocket revolver. The originals were manufactured by Colt in 1848. Of course, you can tell by this one it has a brass frame. The original Colts were never manufactured with a brass frame, they were manufactured with an iron frame. But as you guessed it, this is a percussion revolver, which means it has to be loaded with loose powder and ball through the front of the cylinder and a percussion cap placed on the back, on the cones. The sight is a little barley corn on the front. Bring it to half cock, and on the back a little V-notch. These were not made for accurate shooting. 15 to 20 feet. They were mainly for self-defense. Say across the card table, or if you're walking down the street at night, you had a pocket revolver in your vest pocket to carry as protection. So I have a little target set up. I'm going to do a little demonstration. I'm going to make it about 7 feet, and we'll see what this thing can do. You noticed while I was cocking it, I was turning it around this way. That's to allow these spent caps to fall off and not fall down into the workings to jam the gun. So let's see how we did. All 5 shots, about 7 or 8 feet. Good enough for self-defense. Well, 1848 Colt Pocket Revolver, manufactured by CVA. Well, imported by CVA, manufactured by Armi San Marco, which went out of business several years ago. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3 holes. So, not bad. Well, I hope you liked the video. Thank you.